Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to charge the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro along with the last update charging. So the package includes a wireless charger with a USB cable. Simply place the watch on the charging platform right here so that the contacts meets with the connectors on the back. Just like this, it's pretty magnetic and it will feel smooth. Alright, now plug in your USB cable in any kind of USB port. It can be anything from your usual charging device to your laptop or power bank. So as we see, our watches have just started charging. So now let's talk about the battery life. A full charge will take something about 1 hour. It's quick, so you can charge the watch during the breakfast or a short break. With active use of all features, the watch will last up to 14 days. With regular use and not too intense activity, the battery life is around 9 days. If you enable the always on display feature, which I can show you how to activate in another video, the battery life decreases to 5 days. It's handy if you want to save the time at any moment, but keep in mind that it affects the battery life. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.